It's time to make some money, and you don't have to have your own physical products in order to do so. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about some of the top ways where you can start making money right now without having a physical product. So I'm Keenya Kelly, where I teach you how to use social media to make money online. And that's what we're going to do here in this video. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you do so because we have 2 videos that come up every single week. And I'm teaching you all the things that I know about how I built a multi-6-figure business and how you can get paid just like me in so many different ways. So we all know that people are making money in so many different ways. Like just a moment ago, I got a text message from my best friend who made money through Amazon affiliate, and not the traditional way, but an entirely different way with the influencer marketing. And I'm like, what does she know about influencer marketing? But she knows more than I do with regards to Amazon. And so there's so many different ways where you could be making money every single day, sometimes every single minute. In addition to if you have a business or if you work a full-time job, there's so many things you can do. And so I want to go over those things here. And then I want to be able to answer any questions you have about them in the comments. So if you are watching this video and you've got questions, type them in the comments. It's going to send me a notification and an email, and I will definitely come back to you and answer any questions. So one of the first ways you can make money is through affiliate marketing of products. Affiliate marketing of products. Now, honestly, this one is loaded, okay? Because let's just say Amazon, since I mentioned Amazon, you can go on Amazon and you can become an Amazon affiliate, you can become an Amazon influencer, you can get links and you can promote different things and make money that way, which is awesome, right? And oftentimes, a lot of us always shop at Amazon. Like I just got a notification that a package just got delivered for a cat toy that I bought for my cats. And so I buy things all the time, but I think that it hasn't been a thing in my mind where I'm like, ooh, let me make sure that once I get the product and I use it, let me film it and then put it up for review. It's not necessarily what I naturally do because I haven't done that. But now knowing that all the things that I buy from Amazon, that I could create videos to review and then put them underneath that actual content, that is huge when it comes to being able to make money. So you can actually go to Amazon and you can set up an affiliate through Amazon as an influencer, and you can start promoting different products through Amazon, okay? But here's the deal. There's so many different companies out there that you can do this for. There's Target, there's Walmart, there's Crate and Barrel. Pretty much everybody at this point has an affiliate program because they understand that there's only so much marketing that they can do. But if they got hundreds and thousands of people as affiliates paying them this amount, for marketing, then it's a win for the companies. And so you want to find the different products or companies that you want to market for and just do a quick Google search. I will type in Target affiliate program, Walmart affiliate program, Bed Bath & Beyond, Bath & Body Works affiliate program. And if they have one, it's going to pop up when you search for it. And so I would definitely make sure you do that. But the second biggest thing with affiliate marketing is TikTok Shop. Okay. Now, people are making a significant amount of money on TikTok Shop as TikTok Shop affiliates. So you go to TikTok and you get to right around 2,000 followers, and TikTok is going to give you permission to join the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now you can either get samples from the brands and then review them and then make money, or you can buy the products yourself and you can promote them and make money. Listen, so many people that are under the age of 30 are making millions of dollars, basically, because they have learned the art of marketing products utilizing TikTok Shop. Huge amount of money you can make on TikTok Shop. So while you're trying to figure out Amazon, sign up for that and then get on to TikTok and start using TikTok Shop affiliate, and you are going to be amazed at the amount of money that you're making. The second way you can make money right now is through digital downloads. Now, listen, I was on Etsy recently and I was in shock because I was going to Italy or Paris or one of them or something like that. And I just kind of typed in Paris travel guide or something like that. And then this Etsy shop popped up. And this is someone who created a digital guide to Paris. I don't know if she's ever gone to Paris or not, but it says a digital guide to Paris. Now, this thing was like $27 and she had sold about 40,000 of them. 40,000. Let's ask Siri, how much is that? Hey Siri, what is 40,000 times $27? $1,080,000 from a product she created once and uploaded to Etsy. What? That is incredible. You can do the exact same thing. The exact same. One of the things that I recommend that you do, don't copy them, but I would go to them and I would pay for it, download it, and see what exactly is it? What are they offering? And then ask yourself, what could you offer? Don't copy them like they're materials, but what could you offer as a digital download? I guarantee you that you know so much and so experiences that if you gave people the guide to having a great cruise on Disney Cruises or on Carnival or Royal Caribbean or whatever, that people will pay for them and you'll be making money from products you make one time. Another way to make money is digital courses. So I know we have a course that is called Vertical Video Mastery, where we teach people how to use video marketing, short video marketing to make money online, right? And so everything that I know, I have placed on the inside of a digital course, okay? And then I market that course and I sell it to people who want to learn how to use video marketing strategies to make more money online, right? You have an expertise in something too. I don't know what yours is. Yours could be organization. Yours could be cooking. I had a consulting session with someone today, and hers is teaching women in perimenopause how to strength train because she's a fitness trainer. And I'm like, yes, everything she knows, can be placed in videos and sold as a digital course. And listen, the digital course industry, there's millions of dollars that are coming through the digital course industry, and you could be making it too. You just have to value what your expertise is, learn how to take what's in your mind and put it into a video, and then learn how to sell it. That's kind of what we do on the inside of our courses. And so if you're interested in vertical video mastery, I would encourage you. You can click the link below. You can learn all about it, or you can just ask me in the comments. Another way to make money online is through consulting. That's kind of how I got my start. I was working in corporate and I decided to go on live stream and start teaching people how to build personal brands because I understood it, and people wanted to hire me to help them. So I started charging $25 an hour, and people would buy an hour of my time and I would teach them. And then eventually the price increased, and then the price increased, and the price increased. And so now when people invest with me, it's like for 4 hours, it's $2,500. I serve people and I give them all the things that I have to help them in the area where they need help. And so you know whatever it is you know what you know, and there are people who don't know what you know, who need to know what you know, and would pay you to teach them what you know. You just have to value what you know, put a price tag on it, and learn how to sell your services. And then number 5, it is affiliate marketing of courses. Like for example, my course, Vertical Video Mastery, we sell it for $5.97, and we invite people that have communities to be affiliates. We say, if you want to be an affiliate of this course, we will pay you, I think it is 30% off of every person that buys the course. They weren't going to make any money, so now if they tell people about our course, they'll make 30%. We were not going to make any money from the people that they know because we don't know them. But if they promote to them, they'll make 30% and we'll make 70. We got to do all the work, right? So of course we make the most, right? But now they're making a portion because they promoted our course. You can do the exact same. You can find people whose digital courses that you love or people that you know and love, and you can market those courses online and make a percentage. Like again, you don't have to do any of the work in the course. You just learn what the course is, who it's marketed for, and then market it to the people that are connected to you, and you can make a significant amount of money selling other people's courses as an affiliate. 2 more things. One is brand collaboration. So many of us are familiar with brand collabs, and it's basically where, let's just say this purse is Kate Spade. It's a wallet. Kate Spade can come to me and say, hey, we want you to create an amazing video talking about how much you love Kate Spade, how much you love your purse, and we'll pay you X amount of dollars. Great. Well, then I'm going to create a video. They're going to give me kind of like a creative brief of what needs to be included in that particular video. I'm going to create the video, edit it, let them see it. They'll do revisions, and then I will post that content on my account for them. Okay, like on my account. All right. Now, sometimes you can give them permission to run it as an ad. You charge more money for that, but that's a brand collaboration. But the final one is UGC content. UGC stands for user generated content. And what that is where it's the same Kate Spade purse, but instead of me having to post it on my account, I am actually going to give them the video. Right? So they're going to post it wherever they're going to post it, but I don't necessarily need to post it to my followers. So that means that UGC, you don't have to have a large following. You just have to learn how, you just have to know how to create great videos, how to edit great videos, and be a good representative of their brand in your video. Okay, so you don't have to be a big influencer to do UGC. People want you to be more of a big influencer for brand collabs, but when it comes to UGC, most people don't need a lot of followers. They just need someone who can create great content, and then you can make money that way. So these are just a few of the ways that you can make money right now. You just got to learn and invest time in the ones where you want to make money. Now, if you're someone and you're saying to yourself, I want more help with this and all the things. Well, first off, I want you to join our 3-day Instagram Reels and TikTok challenge. This is where I'm going to teach you how to get started creating content online and building an online community, and then selling whatever it is you're selling. Because if you're going to make money with any one of these 8 things, you still have to know how to sell. So I want you to join us on the inside of our 3-day Instagram Reels and TikTok challenge. And I'm going to teach you all the things. The challenge is absolutely free. It's 3 straight days. All you have to do is register and show up. So you can go to KenyaKelly.com/challenge, or you can go to the link in the description. So if you enjoyed this video, hit like on this video. That helps us to reach more people. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.